There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now,
Divas, what's up, Divas? What's up, everybody? You already know it's your girl A. Girl, we ain't come here to play. We came to slay. Okay? Girl, listen. Happy Friday. This Friday when I'm doing this video is really early. Well, it's not really early. It's 11:30. Girl, I got myself together. I decided today I'm gonna do two of the best of the best of the best wigs, girl. Now, when I tell y'all it's the best of the best of the best, y'all already know I'm talking about RPGSHOW. Okay? And my first wigs. Like, those are the best of 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 the best. Like, seriously, how many times can I tell you? How many times I'm gonna say it? Y'all needs to know this, okay? And with RPGSHOW, y'all, look, I know y'all be saying, I know this, all right? I know this. Y'all, some of y'all be like, ooh, girl, the price too high. Ooh, girl, I ain't got that much coins. Whatever. If you feel that way still, and even if you don't feel that way, you can check out RPGSHOW's outlet. So with November, that means it's Black Friday sales. And why am I just talking like this? Anyway, girl, it's about to be November. It's about to be Black Friday sales, girl, okay? So y'all already know RPGSHOW gonna have y'all hooked up, okay? Hooked up to the guard. Hair, lace, face done up. You're gonna look like a whole different person, a whole new person, a whole person, okay? Whatever you want to call it, you're gonna be that. You're gonna be happy. You're gonna be slayed, girl. I'm just saying, you're gonna be happy that I'm telling you this. And you could definitely thank me later. Y'all could even send me like a Christmas gift as a thank you. I don't know. I'm just saying, girl, it's the best of the best of the best. They're about to have a Black Friday sale. You already know the price gonna be low. And if you don't feel so, you can check out their outlet site, okay, though? Yes, y'all ain't know I have bars like that, but I'm here for it. We all here for it. So today's wig is from RPGSHOW's main website, okay? But I'm telling you, go look on their outlet store. You will find a whole bunch of goodness, just goodness. Because I told y'all, they put the love in it. They put their feet, their elbows, their knuckles. They put the love in it. But okay, listen, girl. This one here, she already came. Like, I don't even know why they just don't call their website RPGSHOW's Ready to Wear Wigs. Like, seriously, I know it's a long title, but you know, it doesn't have to be that.com. It could just be when you go on the website, the home page. All our wigs are ready to wear. That's what they need to advertise, because all their wigs are ready to wear, girl. Okay, this one is not pre-cut, but you can cut your own lace, boo. Okay, if you know how, you can cut your own lace. And she already came pre-styled. She had a middle part. Y'all know what I say about the middle parts, because I have a long hair. But listen, when the hair is a nice length, then it don't look too bad on me. Okay, now if it's right here, girl, yes, the part is gonna have to go to the side. Okay, but I did excuse me, I did hot comb the edges, around the edges, because I wanted it to look as natural as possible. So I did go ahead and flat iron, hot comb the edges. Now y'all probably wondering, why is she like this? Why? Okay, so I did bump the curls a little bit, and instead of me keeping the clips in the hair, and plus I didn't feel like going upstairs and getting no more clips, because I had already used them in my first wig, because I was styling that too. But I do this a lot, so that way I don't get any type of dents and clip lines in the hair. I'll just take the clips out, and then I'll take a fishnet, you know, the netting cap, and I'll just pull it tight and just clip it like that onto the hair, so that way the curls don't drop. That makes it much easier for me, girl, okay? I don't have no clip lines, because I can't stand those clip lines. You know what else I can't stand? When you be flat ironing, girl, and you get like the flat iron lines, flat iron dent, those seem like they take forever to get rid of, okay? They definitely do. So I did try to match my shirt up with this wig because of the color, and this is a beautiful color, girl. Look at this. Hold up. Look at this color. Isn't this like a beautiful color? I can't remember what the color was called, but I'll definitely link it. This is a beautiful fall color, okay? Very pretty. So I tried to like make my fall shirt match my fall wig, and you already know it's DD's on the go, okay? Dunkin' Donuts. Listen, y'all seen me. I have been drinking this stuff for years. My iced coffee, cold brew. Ooh. So I'm not gonna keep rambling, but hold on. I just want y'all to see the inside of the cap, girl. Now, like I said, all their wigs are ready to go. If you want them to be, like, you can ask for the wig to be bleached, deep bleach, lightly bleached. It's really up to you how you like your wig to come. I like mine to be deep bleach, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want no speckles, and I don't want to have to do no work. So that's the one thing that I really do like a lot about RPGSHOW's wig. You don't have to do no work. Here she goes. This one is a 13x6. She has the original RPGSHOW elastic band sewn onto this unit, which I love. They always sewn in the right place, girl. I love these. Already been bleached. It does have the combs in the temple area and the comb in the lap strap, adjustable strap in the nape. So I'm gonna show y'all how y'all wig come from RPGSHOW, and we just gonna get into this. We gonna just keep going with the flow.
do I require? More, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up.
Y'all, okay, look, this wig is fire and desire. This wig, look, I'm telling y'all, this wig, girl, slayed all day, slayed like it's my b-day. Okay, do it like it's your b-day. Okay, do it like you born to slay. Okay, this wig is definitely winning. Okay, and did it look nice? It looks good with my Shein shirt. It's like my fall Shein shirt, you know, burnt orange. This go good with this wig, y'all. Okay, so y'all see the curls, do y'all see the part? The one thing about me, listen, I can curl some some hair sometimes. I always seems like I gotta redo it even after on a mannequin, okay, when I put it on myself, but at least I don't have to do the whole entire thing. But let me tell y'all something. I swear to you guys, I be looking at my combs like, is it straight? Because why my parts don't never come out like bone straight? Never. I will use some tweezers to part it. I will use some clips to part it. I will use anything really sharp to part and make sure it's straight. And girl, it don't never come out like that. Like, you know, you start from your nose, right? So, you know, when you make a part, you're supposed to like do the middle. Girl, listen, I don't know why my parts don't never come out bone straight. I done tried everything. I don't know what it is. Some people's parts be coming out like perfect. So we just gonna go with this part for right now because it's still looking cute. But girl, listen, this supposed to be 20 inches. Y'all heard what I said. I said supposed to be. I didn't say is. I said supposed to be because it is says 20 inches. But girl, this like 24, 26. RPG show, stop it. I'm just saying, just stop it. Like, I can't help but to say this in every video because, you know, girl, listen, you know I be knowing about some wigs, right? So you know I be knowing where 20 inches is supposed to land. But anyway, girl, does this color look like fall or what? This hair is so pretty. Color is beautiful. And I like the fact, I love the fact that the top part where the roots is at, those are darkened slightly. Not too much, because I can't stand when you get a wig and you want the roots to be dark, the darkness be like all the way right here. Like, you making it look like my roots done grew out like forever and ever ago. The way they did the roots, look at that. It looked like it gradually somewhat might have grew out. The blend is perfect. The softness of the blend is perfect. Do you see how nicely this is blended color? Like, that goes in so gradually you don't even notice it. Okay, can we talk about the hairline? So this is the Swiss tinted lace, baby. You know, it do what it do. You just put it on, it melts instantly into your skin. It just kind of like just grasps into your skin. It morphs into your skin, transforms into your skin somehow. So as y'all seen, I did pluck right here because it's a little thinner for me right here on my hairline. So I just wanted to look as natural as possible on me. But when you get an RPG show wig, you really don't have to worry too much about that. This color is fire, baby. I don't care what nobody say. Think or feel, because this color is beautiful. This is definitely a fall color. Girl, I wear this in the spring, summer, and winter. I don't care. Okay? I don't even care. Make sure you check out RPG Show. You know I'm gonna leave all the information down below. Make sure you check out their outlet store because girl, they got some really nice wigs that you can just put on, wear and go. They are the wear and go queens and kings of lace fronts. Okay. So on that note, I love you all. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up. You know, yada yada yada, all that good stuff, girl. And I will see y'all in the next one.
Hey.